Are you excited? Are you excited? You should be, because you're one step closer from transforming not only your body, but also your life. And that is with the 6-week lean challenge. We have less than 60 days until we ring in another decade and head into 2020. And the question you gotta ask yourself is, how do you wanna start 2020? Do you wanna start it the same old way you're feeling right now, tired, lethargic, not confident? Or do you wanna start it feeling leaner, healthier, and more confident than ever before? If you're in the latter group, I suggest you start and commit right now to your 6-week lean challenge, because I am going to hold your hand through every single step of the way, just like I have thousands of other squatties. And if you're a little hesitant, that's okay, but make sure you check out the other squatties' transformations and check out their messages, because what makes me so proud is that they've not only transformed losing tons and tons of weight, but they've also transformed mentally. They feel better, they feel more energized, they feel happier, and that truly is what the leanness is all about. And this isn't some crash diet or fad tea or juice cleanse. This is a way of fueling your body through the custom meal plan with healthy, tasty, enjoyable foods and a workout plan designed for you, because everyone is different. Everyone is starting at different points and everyone has different goals. So whether that's to burn fat, to just get healthier, to start somewhere, or build more lean muscle, I will make a 6-week plan for you that is going to help you get the results unlike anything before. And I know there's tons of work events coming up, tons of Christmas parties. Those are all part of real life. And I want you to enjoy real life more than ever before. I want you to go to that party feeling more confident, happier, and energized than ever before. And the only way to do that is to make a change right now. By exercising and fueling your body, starting today, you can make these changes. And when 2020 rings in, you will feel like an entirely new person, and you will be excited what the future has in store for you. So join me, join the hundreds of other squatties, and let's start your transformation today with the custom 6-week lean challenge. Now let's get lean before 2019 ends.